Are you tired of your tech slowing you down? Do you wish you knew those little tricks that make your digital life smoother? Well, you're in the right place. Welcome to Techorati's Top 10 Tips series, where we unlock the secrets to a more efficient and enjoyable tech experience. In this first episode, we're diving into essential tech hacks you can use right now. Stay tuned. Here at Techorati, we believe technology should empower, not frustrate. Let's kick off our journey to becoming tech-savvy. Save countless hours. Learn common shortcuts like Ctrl+C, V, X for copy, paste, cut, and Alt+Tab to quickly switch applications. A cluttered desktop is a slow desktop. Create folders, delete unused files, and regularly clear your downloads folder for better performance. Stop reusing passwords. A password manager like LastPass or Bitwarden secures unique, strong passwords for all your accounts. A simple restart can fix many minor glitches and free up RAM, making your computer feel snappier. Do it at least once a week. Keep your operating system and applications updated. Updates often include crucial security patches and performance improvements. Don't risk losing precious memories or important documents. Regularly back up your files to an external drive or cloud service. Constant pings disrupt focus. Customize app notifications to only show what's truly essential, reclaiming your concentration. Remove unused extensions, clear cache and cookies periodically, and consider a lightweight browser for faster web surfing. Knowing common file types, e.g., PDF, JPG, DOCX, helps you manage and open them correctly, avoiding frustration. Before panicking, try turning it off and on again. Check cables, internet connection, and error messages for quick fixes. There you have it, 10 essential tech tips to elevate your digital game. Implementing even a few of these will make a huge difference. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Techorati for more tech insights, and comment below with your favorite tip. See you next time.